Today's a working day, so I'm just doing a quick repair while I finish up on the TSX. So if your clutch fluid looks like this, looks like chocolate milk, and you're feeling thirsty, go ahead and drink it. You'll have no problems. You definitely won't get sick. Psych! Don't do that. So we're gonna drain all that, and we're gonna get some nice clear stuff. So let's, as I do, follow the line. Line goes over here, boop, 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 cuts through all the wire harness, and then ends up over here. So we have that 8mm there. So I like to gravity bleed. You can do the pump and hold method if you'd like, but I do the gravity bleed. So I literally just open this and let it all flow out. It's all gonna come out, but you don't want that fluid anyways, because it's all nasty, dirty, contaminated brake fluid. So let's get rid of that and get some clear stuff going. So while I wait for that, let this thing drain. All right, we're back. So now it's empty. I've cleaned it out with a rag and a turkey baster right here. This stuff works great, and I have a designated bucket or jug, whatever you want to call it. So now that that's empty, now we can fill it back up. This bleeder valve is still open. Those are the remnants of the old fluid. So I'm gonna fill this fluid up, and then we'll wait until it starts dripping on this end. That's what a gravity bleed is. You just wait and let gravity do its thing. Once it starts leaking, I give it I'd say, I don't know, a couple seconds, maybe 10 seconds, and then close the bleeder valve, and you should be good. Go ahead and pump the pedal and make sure that the pressure is there. Fill that up. Look at how clear that looks. That is awesome. So see, bleeder valve is open, and we're waiting for, oh, there it is. There's the bubbles. That's why it stopped. It should start leaking in just a moment. There it is, steady stream. All right, now you can close the bleeder valve. That is it. That is how easy it is to flush and refill your clutch line fluid, or clutch reservoir, or clutch master, whatever you guys want to call it. It is for the clutch, and you are good to go. So let's confirm. All right, it's building pressure. There we go. You are all set, guys, and you are good to go. There it is. If your pedal is still soft, just make sure that this reservoir is topped off, and then repeat the process and open the bleeder valve and let any air bubbles out, and repeat the process until the pedal has sufficient pressure to go ahead and move that clutch fork. And then you are all set. So if that helped you out, guys, as always, like, comment, subscribe, and of course smash that thumbs up button. And thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you guys.